What if you could grade your life like a GPA and level up to greatness? New York Times best-selling author Lewis Howes said it best. Greatness is discovering your unique gifts to pursue your meaningful mission and creating maximum impact on the world around you. But what if you are stuck, struggling in your career, relationships, or health? In this video, I'm breaking down 6 keys to fix what's broken, dominate your career, and upgrade your relationships. Let's begin. Number 1. Assessing your GPA. This is not your grade point average. This is your greatness performance assessment. This is your assessment of your current standing across 3 fundamental areas of your life: business and career, relationship, and wellness. Here is how to calculate your life GPA. Rate each of the 5 statements you are seeing on the screen. Rate them between 1 and 10, where 1 means completely disagree, 10 means strongly agree. Add your scores out of 50, then calculate your GPA for career, in this case, then divide your total score by 5. This gives you a score between 1 and 10. Again, rate each of the 5 statements you are seeing on the screen. For relationship this time, rate it between 1 and 10, where 1 means completely disagree and 10 means strongly agree. Then add your scores out of 50, then calculate your GPA by dividing your total score by 5. This again will give you a score between 1 and 10. Again, rate each of the 5 statements you are seeing on the screen. For wellness this time, rate them between 1 and 10, where 1 means completely disagree, 10 means strongly agree. Add your scores out of 50, then calculate your GPA by dividing your total score by 5. This again will give you a score between 1 and 10. This is the interpretation. Number 1, rebuilding between 2.0 and 4.4. This means you are in the foundation phase. Major improvements are needed. My career GPA is 3.2. I need to rethink my career. Number 2, accelerating between 4.5 and 5.9. This means you are making progress but still far from your goals. You have to double down on your small wins. Number 3, winning. This is between 6.0 and 7.4, which means you are doing well but not excellent yet. Example, my relationships GPA is 6.8, so I need deeper connections. Number 4, play of bound. This is between 7.5 and 8.9. You are crushing it, almost at the top. Stay consistent and aim higher. My wellness GPA is 7.2. I'm good at exercising, but I need consistency and have better sleep. Number 5, that is championship level. This is 9.0 plus. What it means, you are a role model in this area. Action, mentors others and maintain excellence. Number 2, find your mission. Like Tony Robbins say, stop worrying about how to succeed. First, figure out why you want it. To find your mission, answer these 3 P questions. The first P, passion. What makes you lose track of time? What would you do even if you were not paid? Number 2, power. What do people say you are great at? Number 3, problem. What makes you angry or sad in the world? What issue do you want to fix? Number 3, write your own obituary. Imagine your funeral. What do you want people to say about you? Answer these 3 questions to build a life you are proud of. Number 1, what did I finish? What big problem did I solve? Number 2, how did I change the world? What good thing happened because I was here? Number 3, what will my family, friends miss about me? What kind of person was I? Number 4, design your perfect day. Your daily habits shape your life. Plan your ideal day to align with your purpose. What does your perfect day look like? How do you want to feel? Who are you with? What are you creating? Write your perfect day, then leave one piece of it tomorrow. Number 5, stop caring what people think. Fear of judgment holds you back. Here is how to crush it. There are 2 types of people. There are doers. They mess up things. They learn and they keep trying. And there are talkers or pointers. They criticize. They act like they are experts. They never take risk. They mock others' work but never create anything. So be a doer. Done is better than perfect. Action beats excuses. Number 6. The game plan for greatness. Grab a notebook and answer these 5 questions, what we call the 5 P's. The first P, purity question. If I were 100% true to myself, what would I do differently? This cuts through the noise of societal expectation or fear of judgment. Number 2, priority question. If I had to develop my goal in 30 days, what 3 steps would I take first? It forces clarity on what truly urgent versus what's just a busy work. Number 3, the possibility question. What could my life look like if I achieved my goal? This shifts us from is this possible to how far I can go. Number 4, the passion question. How would it feel to achieve my goal? Connect your goal to emotions to fuel motivation. Number 5, the prosperity question. If I won the lottery today, what would I do tomorrow? This removes money as an excuse and it focuses on your deepest desires.